Intel really needed this to be good. This video is a bit different to what I was planning on it to be. So yeah, the reviews of the A770 and A750 Intel Arc GPUs are out, and they aren't as good as Intel claimed they would be. They position themselves to be a mid-range pair of GPUs to take on the likes of the 3060 Ti and the 6600 XT, 6600, and then just a regular 3060. In reality, what's happened is sort of up and down, really. So it does trade blows with the A770 does trade blows with the 6600 XT and the 3060, but overall the reviews are quite poor. So the main reason for the GPUs to be not as good as Intel had said they were is basically down to the drivers and how sort of immature they are. Now, I do believe that in a month or three, Intel will certainly improve the drivers, and that will in turn improve the performance. Make no mistake, the gaming industry as a whole needs this to happen, because this will in turn put downwards pressure on the likes of, specifically Nvidia. I was going to say Nvidia and AMD, but AMD are more price competitive and you get more value for money with AMD, more frames per dollar, let's say, than Nvidia. If Intel can, and I believe they will, in fact, sort out their driver issues, then we're looking at something that hasn't happened in the graphics card market for a very long time. In fact, as long as I can remember, and that is to put pressure on Nvidia to drop their prices. If there's a third competitor or another competitor in the market which is sort of taking potential sales of Nvidia away from them when they're already struggling to sell graphics cards at the mid-range and lower end, because AMD already has the price performance advantage, then that'll definitely make Nvidia change their stance on, graphics cards dropping in price is a thing of the past sort of comments. So yeah, I really do hope that these do get better over time. I think they will. As you can see, they do come with quite interesting software and technology. So XeSS is sort of like the DLSS or FSR for Intel. They also have support for the AV1 codec, which is, without exaggeration, an extremely big advantage. Now, the new 4000 series GPUs will have that port for the AV1 codec, and so will the RX 7000 series GPUs. I'm not sure if it's coming to the current GPU lineups of AMD and Nvidia, but it's good to see that Intel has that on their GPUs, or they would just simply be irrelevant in terms of streaming. And then their ray tracing performance is not bad. So from what I've heard, it's actually in some cases better than Nvidia, but yeah, time will tell when more extensive reviews are undertaken. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I do hope that these GPUs sell in their masses, because I don't want Intel to sort of just give up on their GPU department or plans, because I think it is a very good thing for the industry as a whole. Yeah, I'm sort of rambling now, so if you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know in the comments what you think about these GPUs. It's a bit of a pity that they are releasing them on the same day as the RTX 4000 or 4090. It's sort of going to steal a lot of the marketing or limelight, let's say. But yeah, I do believe that there is a place for them in this market, and especially now that people are not really buying really high-end GPUs anymore, at least not these days, because of the cost of living and inflation going up and everything like that. So yeah, they've definitely come in at the right time. As long as they can sort out their drivers, I think these GPUs have got a lot of potential behind them. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.